Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. How to make rejuvenating cucumber mask for face. Each beauty at least once made herself a cucumber mask for the face, which is incredibly refreshing and tones the skin in a matter of minutes. And this is not surprising, because nature has awarded the green cucumber a wealth of many vitamins and nutrients that give the skin a pleasant healthy appearance. But in the winter it is difficult to find a fresh product, without greenhouse chemicals and fertilizers, and gels for washing and other skin care products come to our skin. Be attentive. Many cosmetic products not only will not help you, but they can also do harm to the skin in any weather was beautiful and healthy. Use cosmetics created only on a natural basis. Cucumber mask. What is the secret of the magic transformation of the skin? Its miraculous properties are due to the chemical composition of the cucumber, in which there are many vitamins and nutrients useful to the skin. A common cucumber mask contains a whole treasure trove of elements that transform the skin. Cucumbers do not contain any irritants in their composition and can be used even to care for the delicate skin around the eyes. So the facial mask from a cucumber with regular use will make you not only more beautiful, but also much younger. Like any cosmetic product, a mask from fresh cucumber will have indications and contraindications to the use, with which it is better to familiarize in advance. For some types of skin this mask will solve many problems. For dry skin, the cucumber mask will become a universal moisturizer and eliminate the peeling. The cucumber perfectly whitens the skin, relieving the unpleasant pigmentation. A mask of cucumbers from acne and acne of various origin is used. For the fading skin, the rejuvenating properties of the cucumber will not be superfluous. Ingredients that you need: half cucumber, aloe vera gel, lemon juice, pink water, bowl. How to use it: peel half the cucumber, cut it, throw the pieces of cucumber in a blender, add 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, add half teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, add half teaspoon of pure rose water. Mix the mixture for a couple of minutes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.